So I just got back from a meeting with a coach who wants me to produce her entire workout training program. And this is, to date, the biggest project that I've come in contact with. And I would like to give a special shout out to my homeboy Mike, who made the introduction. Mike is, as you know, in our mastermind group. I will be doing an interview with him because there is some very bright opportunities in our futures, and I'm excited to work with him. But he introduced me on the whim to one of my biggest clients with this production project that I've been able to do. Super excited, and it's the perfect timing because the season's about to wrap up and this project is probably going to command a lot of my time. So therefore I need this extended time to work on it and then come back for season 3. So man, I'm like the cheese on my face. You see that? It's awesome. Anywho, I'm gonna go right now and start loading up on some tools and resources needed for this project. All right, do some studying and whatnot, and get to work. Basically, the job literally started from the moment that we shook hands. So now it's enough talking about it, be about it. Actually, the meeting, we have a mastermind meeting. Funny enough, we have the mastermind meeting set up in, hold up. It's about to start in 30 minutes. So I figured why not just share the news with the tribe. And I guess we have a special guest in today's meeting. I haven't met him personally, but he's working on a application that's going to be disrupting the what do you call that, certification industry, because trainers are irrationally passionate when it comes to education and optimizing the possibilities of themselves or their clients. So we want to bring the best out of our clients, so we want to always strive to get more knowledge in the fitness industry, and what he's working on is going to be something super big. So I'm excited to hear more about it, and of course all that information gathered I will share with you. Yeah, awesome stuff all around. What else I got next going on? Oh, there's going to be a holiday party tonight. Might show a little clip of that. It's going to be one of the studios that I work for. We're doing a holiday party in Back Bay, so I'm going to be interacting with some more coaches and tell them exactly what I'm working on and see potential on how we can bring them into our network and further grow the community. All right, so it's fun, networking, good times, good vibes all around. Yeah, so that's all I got going on for right now. And yeah, let me get on this meeting and then see you on the next one. All right, so we are at Solidaire's Christmas party and totally was just geeking out with Joanna about, what were we talking about, Joanna?
Your higher self and how to manifest what it is that you are looking for in life.
So we are going to have a more in-depth discussion about it on my podcast. And then, yeah, so I will be announcing exactly when we're going to be releasing it, or we probably try to do it live too. So if you want a Q&A, hit it up. But it's going to be in season 3 though, not season 2, season 3. All right. So yeah, let's get after it. All right.
Have a great day.